Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. So this video I'm just going to show you a little bit about one of the items that I use within my practices, and it is this. So this is a very small version of a Tibetan singing bowl. So singing bowls are used primarily for yoga and relaxation purposes. The sound that they emit causes the body to go into a different vibration and causes it to go into like a deep relaxation. But some of the tones that come out of them are also used in spirit work to elevate ourselves. So when we work with spirit isn't expected to come to us. It's not a telephone and we're not calling them. What we do is we elevate our own energies. We lift ourselves up so that we can be on the same level as them. So I'm just going to show you the tones and things. So singing bowls, you need to balance them. So you balance it on your fingers, and they're used with a wooden or any sort of device. So that singing bowls either make a single tone, and as you can hear, it resonates for a long time, or you can get them to create a constant tone. You can put water in them to create different levels of tone, and they come in so many different sizes, different makes. Some of them are made from crystals, some of them are made from brass, from copper, steel. They all have so many different designs and different types of them. This is just my little portable one, and I'm going to see if I can get it going for you so you can hear the sound, and let me know in the comments if it creates any sort of feeling for you. It can give you a bit of a headache when you first hear them, so just be careful if you do have anything like epilepsy that it doesn't cause an adverse effect. But I'm just going to play it for you now and just see what you think and how you feel with it. That's just a very quiet tone. I'm trying to get it going a little bit louder. There we go. So as you can hear, it makes a very rich, full, quite an obtrusive tone. The size of the bowl obviously depends on the depth and the note that it plays. Using them for a long time can actually, it makes your whole being feel kind of like you're breathing out, and your whole body starts to relax. And what it's actually doing is hitting into the gamma sounds and a certain hertz of sound that evokes that relaxation, much in the same way that meditation works. Now, singing bowls can also be used in like cleansing an aura, an area, a chakra. It just gives that different elevation to the room. You'll see on haunted stories videos that I do use them sometimes, and it's just to bring spirit either towards the tone or to elevate ourselves towards that level. Singing bowls are Tibetan. They first came many years ago, hundreds of years ago, but they actually rose in popularity in the 70s in the US, and so came across to the UK for work within the meditation and spiritual community. They're used a lot for sound baths. So a sound bath is a guided meditation or a journey where it uses a lot of different kind of techniques, a different kind of instruments to take you on a journey. It's not so much music, well, it is music, but it's not so much actual tune music as opposed to different sounds. So they will use singing bowls, rain sticks, gongs, chants. There are chants that go with these, and it's just, oh, it's such a magical experience. So I can recommend going, and if you can find a sound bath, these practitioners are absolutely incredible that run them. In terms of my little singing bowl, this is a portable one. I would like some bigger ones eventually, but they really do help, and I think that just the patience that's needed to try and get that tone out of them, as you heard from the first time, it doesn't always work straight off, and sometimes it's a quiet tone, but when you do get that rich tone resounding, it really does make you feel just the buzz that goes through you, that hits the different points in your chakra, and that hits the different sensitivities within your, not just your ears, but within your mind and your brain. It really can help concentration. So guys, that was just a quick video. Let me know if you have a singing bowl, if you play a singing bowl, if you like the sound, if the sound is horrendous to you. I'd just be really interested to know. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.